Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Seth. So last month, February, the S&P 500 dropped by about 5%. In this same time period, Tesla's stock price dropped by about 40%, almost like it was in a roller coaster ride. Why am I still buying more Tesla shares when the stock has not yet fully recovered? Well, stick around and you'll find out why. Also, stick around and you'll find out the exact price targets that I'm looking at to add even more Tesla shares to my portfolio.
The world is yours and everything in it. We're gonna go get it.
So Ark Invest, one of the top performing asset management companies led by Cathie Woods, they have come out with their predictions for a price of a Tesla share in the year 2025. Mind you, the price of a Tesla share at the moment is $652. So let's see what Cathie Woods and Ark Invest have for us. So on the bearish side, you know what? Let's do the opposite. Let's do the positive news first. So on the bullish side, Ark Invest and Cathie Woods have a 25% probability that the price of a Tesla share will reach the price of $4,000 by the year 2025. So in the year 2025, $4,000. At the moment, we are at $652. That is still that I would take that any day as a Tesla shareholder. That would definitely be a nice change to definitely have. But then now let's look at the bearish side. So on the bearish side, Ark Invest has a 25% probability also that the price of a Tesla share will reach only $1,500. I said only like it's nothing. At the moment, we are at $652, and I said only for $1,500. I would take $1,500 also any day, anytime. All right. But then now let's look at the balance side. On the balance side, Ark Invest has a prediction that they have a 50% probability that the price of a Tesla share will reach $3,000 in the year 2025. 3,000 is still not bad. I'll take 3,000 any day. All right. But is this the reason why I'm picking up more shares of Tesla at the moment?
Nope.
No, that's not the reason why. I see something cooking up in the charts for Tesla. That's why I'm investing. But now let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is the part of the video where I cut in to ask you guys for a big favor. All right. If you've not yet subscribed, give me that HBO special. All right. Help a brother out. I'm trying to get a channel to 100 subscribers. So give me that HBO special. Let's get a channel to 100 subscribers. Now back to the original program. Okay, so at the moment we are looking at the price action on the daily chart for Tesla, but then let's switch to the 1 week time frame since I am much more of a long-term investor, at least for Tesla. On the weekly chart, we can see that the month of February was an absolute bloodbath for Tesla. With all these big red candles, the bears kept pushing the prices lower and lower. We crossed the 21 simple moving average, and then we dropped below this trend line that has been supporting us since July 2020. The downward movement didn't stop until we hit the $540 level, where the bulls took back control and pushed the prices higher, and until we crossed the 21 simple moving average. I mean, on the weekly chart. But then that seems to have failed as the bears are taking back control, and then they've pushed the prices again below the 21 simple moving average on the weekly. It seems the 21 weekly simple moving average is now the battleground for the bears and then the bulls. We'll see how that plays out. But then at the moment, this is actually good for us, right? The prices over here, these are the same prices 3 months ago in December 2020, right? So this opens up an opportunity for us to pick up Tesla shares as if we are 3 months back, right? So it's almost like somebody has put us in a time capsule or in a time machine, and has sent us back 3 months ago. So now we could actually pick up some more shares of Tesla as if we are in December 2020. So I like this. Anytime I have this happen in the chart where, okay, I could pick up more shares of a quality company, right? That's always like, Christmas for me. We are looking at the price action on the daily chart at the moment, and we can see that in the month of February, the price was trading in this channel, right? So in this channel, the price kept trading in this channel, but then we did break out in March with this big red green candle. So we did break out, and then since then we've been trading outside of this channel since. But then the bears seem to have taken back control. The bears, they've taken back control. They're pushing the prices lower, but then we've not yet crossed this trend line. So this trend line, sorry, maybe this trend line that has been support for us since July 2020, we've not yet crossed it again. We did cross that a little bit, but then we've not yet crossed it again. So I will still hold this trend line as this as a support line for us. And also the 21 weekly moving average, like we saw earlier on. I will still hold this this as a support line for us. And then the prices, like I said, are still these are the prices that we were seeing last year in December 2020. So this is definitely something that I like. You know what I'm saying? I'll be taking I'm taking advantage of this, and I'm buying the Tesla shares at the moment. So now to answer the question, why am I still buying more Tesla shares when the S&P 500 dropped only 5%? But then in this same time frame in February, Tesla's share price dropped almost 40%. The answer to that question is very simple. And then to answer that question, we will need to look at what happened, right, in December 2020, right? The share price that we're seeing at the moment after that 40% drop, right? These are the prices that we saw back in December 2020, just before Tesla was about to be added to the S&P 500. A lot of people were just jumping on the bandwagon just to make a quick buck, because they knew that when Tesla was added to the S&P 500, the share price will skyrocket. So a lot of people just bought it, and then just to make a quick buck. So after this 40% correction, I'm pretty sure most of the people that just jumped on that bandwagon, and they've probably jumped ship at the moment and are no longer on that bandwagon. This gives long-term investors and serious investors a great opportunity to pick up some shares of Tesla at the moment. For a long-term investment. So this is definitely good for the price valuation of Tesla. Also, a lot of people are about to receive their stimulus checks if they've not received that already. But a lot of people will be receiving their stimulus checks. So I'm getting in just before everybody does, because I know a lot of people, when they get their stimulus checks, some people will jump into the stock market, and then Tesla would definitely be one of them, right? Other than Bitcoin, Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, all of that, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be investing using that money on Tesla. Okay, so here's where I hang it up and I pass it on to you. Give me that HBO special. Help a brother out, all right? If you've not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you've not liked, make sure to like. Also, make sure to turn on notification so you get reminded when I do publish a new video. All right, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.